From Portugal all the way to the west coast of India. No, it's not Portuguese colonialism, it's Vindaloo. Coming up. This week I'm trying a recipe for Vindaloo. It's not specific to any particular kind of Vindaloo, so you can do chicken, pork, mutton, whatever you like. I've chosen to go with chicken, but obviously you can go with whatever meat you want to. Now, I have had Vindaloo before in a restaurant, but I've never had this recipe. So we're going to try it out, let you know how it turned out, plus any little things that I noticed about it. Before we get started, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, or there'll be one at the end. Take 250 grams of meat. I use chicken in this case. Also, take 1 teaspoon of pepper, salt, garam masala, and up to 4 teaspoons of chili powder. As you can see here, I used 1. Yes, I am the chicken that I eat. Mix the spices together. Take 4 teaspoons of vinegar, 4 teaspoons of garlic paste. All I had was ginger garlic paste, so I used that instead. Add the paste and the vinegar to the chicken and mix well. Add the spices. In a 2-liter pressure cooker, add 4 teaspoons of water and 4 teaspoons of oil. In this particular case, I used olive oil. Add 2 bay leaves. Add the chicken on top. Cook on high for 7 minutes. Okay, nothing left to do but give it a try. You can see it's cooked. I checked it with a thermometer. It is cooked all the way through. Maybe a little much, but that's because of my equipment. So, chicken Vindaloo. Let's give this a try, see how it is. It's good. I like it. I definitely like the sour. It's a little salty, and that may be because some of the ginger garlic pastes out there use more salt than others, so if you just reduce it a bit, it's fine. Yeah, the stuff I got in the restaurant would always be red. And you never really got the sour flavor off of it. It was just hot, hot, hot. This, on the other hand, I'm getting a nice balance, especially since I chose to use less chili powder. But if you want to do that and be more authentic, you go right ahead. Now, the recipe says it's good for any kind of meat, so I'm actually going to try pork and then goat, and I'll let you know how that turns out. But this recipe's good, definitely recommended. Okay, that's it for this video. Feel free to leave a like, leave a comment below. If you don't like, go ahead and hit the like button away. Show what a great human being you are. There'll be a link to subscribe, a link for a playlist full of videos just like this, and a link for my most recent video. Once again, I'm J.D. Tremaine. Thanks for watching. See you soon.